In today's video, I am going to teach you how to duplicate a page in GoDaddy Website Builder. To begin, sign into your GoDaddy account and go to your main account dashboard. Once you are inside your account, scroll down until you see the Websites plus Marketing section. In that area, find the website that you want to work on, then click Manage to open its settings and options. After that, choose Edit Website or Edit Site. This will launch the GoDaddy Website Builder, so you can make changes to your site. When the editor opens, look toward the panel on the right side of the screen. This is where your site pages are listed. Find the page that you want to duplicate. Once you have located it, move your cursor over that page and click the settings icon next to it. This is usually shown as a small gear symbol. Clicking that icon will open the Page Settings menu, where you will see more options for managing that page. From the menu, select Duplicate Page. GoDaddy will then create a copy of the page for you. Give it a moment to finish. Once the duplicated page appears in your page list, click to open it so you can review it and make any updates you need. At this point, you can change the page name if necessary. This is helpful if you want the copied page to have a different title from the original. After renaming it, go through the duplicated page and edit the content to match your needs. You can update sections, replace images, change text, adjust layouts, or modify any other elements that were copied over from the original page. When your changes are complete, click Preview to check how the duplicated page looks before publishing it. This gives you a chance to review the design and make sure everything appears the way you want. If something needs to be adjusted, you can go back into the editor and make those final changes. Once you are happy with the duplicated page, click Publish to make it live on your website. After publishing, the copied page will be available as part of your site, based on the visibility and navigation settings you have chosen. Duplicating a page in GoDaddy Website Builder is a simple way to save time when creating similar pages with the same structure or design. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.